First, let's place the display on the breadboard. First, let's begin the connection by connecting the wires to the display from 1 to 6. After these 6, there should be a gap for 4 pins, and we should not connect anything on those 4. And then let's start connecting with the power lines. These 2 wires are for the power lines, which is connected to the Arduino board. Let's connect this to the ground of the Arduino board, ground pin. And the other one goes to the 5V pin of the Arduino board. Let's continue with the connections of the display. From the right end of the display, let's connect 6 towards the left. Connect the first wire to the negative of the breadboard and the second one to the positive of the breadboard. Those are the 2 main power sources for the LCD display. Now let's place the push button switch on the center of the breadboard on either sides. Let's start connecting the display to the Arduino board. The third pin of the display goes to pin number 12 of the Arduino now. The fourth pin of the display goes to pin number 11 of the Arduino. The fifth pin of the display goes to pin number 10 of the Arduino. The sixth pin of the display goes to pin number 9 of the Arduino. Let's connect one of the pins of the push button switch to negative of the Arduino rail. and the other side of the push button switch to pin number 2 of the Arduino board. The first pin from the right of the LCD goes to the negative rail of the breadboard, and the second pin goes to the positive rail of the breadboard. The third pin from the right of the display goes to pin number 3 of the Arduino. The fourth pin of the display goes to pin number 4 of the Arduino. The fifth pin of the display goes to pin number 5 of the Arduino. The sixth pin from the right of the display goes to pin number 6 of the Arduino. Now connect the board to the computer and upload the code. I'll leave the code in the description below. You can see that the game has started, but there is no clarity in the display. So for this we have to use the potentiometer and correct it and make it clearly visible. The black of the potentiometer goes to the negative rail of the breadboard, and the middle one is connected in the center, and the other one that's connected to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now let's connect the middle wire to pin number 3 of the display from the left side. After connecting the potentiometer, you can see that the display is clear. Sometimes you have to vary it. And now you can start playing a game.